welcome, namaskar. When you're ready, allow yourself just to find a place of stillness. Allow yourself to check in with your surroundings, observing and accepting them as they are, as well as what's going on within you, any sensations, your emotional energy, whatever you're bringing to your comfortable seated shape, just know that's okay. And when you're ready, we'll start to position the body for comfort, so the legs are well placed, that you can relax all the way down to the feet. The hands come face down so you can soften the shoulders. Often you'll see meditators like this, that can add a little tension to the lats and the shoulders, but just allow yourself just to be soft as you find a little length in the crown of the head, allowing the back to be upright. And if you need a support in the back, feel free to use a pillow or something, but just allow yourself just to find that place of stillness, bringing your tongue to the roof of the mouth, starting to close the eyes, bringing the awareness inward, moving into that pratyahara. If you like, you can close your eyes, start to feel your breath from the inside, and start to switch your awareness now solely to inhaling through the nose, exhaling as well, completely through the nose, and shift your focus towards that tip of the nose. Feeling your breath, releasing yourself from any expectation or comparison to how things felt during your last meditation or how things should feel, and just being present here in the atta, the present moment. Starting to observe the pace of the inhale and the exhale, and seeking to optimize them by bringing them into balance. Making little adjustments as needed, but then as we go deeper today, at some point, just allowing things to flow on their own. If you like to try a new noting technique, you can start by counting at the number 30 as you inhale, and then exhale. At the bottom of the exhale, you'll come down to number 29. So one full breath cycle here, starting to slow down the routine of the noting. And if you lose count, if your mind wanders, that is the part of the practice. That's what we're building. So just honoring that. It's like wobbling in a balancing shape. That's how you're learning. That's how you're improving. Just allow yourself just to ride each breath. Feeling that lightness, that creativity as you inhale, and that slightly dense feeling, and that grounding current as you exhale, observing each exhale towards that unforced pause at the bottom of the breath. As you inhale, allow your attention to be a little relaxed and carefree, and then sharpen the attention as you exhale. Staying with that exhale all the way to the bottom, feeling the tip of the nose. Maybe the nose starts to feel like it's growing in circumference as you deepen your practice. Harmony to the breath. We balance out oxygen, the carbon dioxide that's within our circulation. It takes 8 minutes for fresh blood to pump completely through your circulatory system, and after you've hit that spot of Nice balance, inhale and exhale. Just imagine your body thanking you for that balanced circulation, that mind-body connection is occurring. The cells are harmonizing. Everything is coming into alignment with your intention of finding shamatha, that abiding tranquility, that consistent, calm focus. Wherever you are in your count, we'll start over. So coming back to the top at the number 30. As you inhale and exhale, waiting to the bottom of the breath, switch to 29. We use this notation as a way to guide ourselves, to give ourselves one more item just to build that routine, and just observing if your mind is wandering. It's completely normal. There's also a space where you'll feel the breath, you'll feel the inhale and the exhale, but your mind is also active. And know that that is a unique delusion of its own. I encourage you to just come back to that exhale, to fully be present in the practice. Focus our awareness and our concentration in this space. Maybe you feel a small expansion and contraction of the nostrils. Maybe you'll notice that there's an improvement in your sense of smell as well. There are physical benefits, there are emotional benefits, there are energetic benefits, and as you're building the routine, the aptitude to enjoy meditation, always reminding yourself it's worth it. When you have a slower reaction, when you have an unabiding centeredness, that feeling that endures. It's hard to describe, but I'm so excited to find that with you. Checking in with your noting technique. Let's all reset and do that again. Coming back to the top, starting at 30, moving to 29. Finding that calm and abiding breath. Know that outside of this time, the inner critic may not appreciate that you're stepping into that space and building the tenacity and the duration to observe your thoughts. And so whenever you try anything new, there is that voice that sounds like imposter syndrome, that critiquing, and just observe it as well and allow it to pass without making an attachment to that, that you are slowly implementing new practice, a change, and that there will be resistance from the areas of the ego. That's part of the work. Wherever you are with your noting, we'll go ahead and back that out. Just observe the breath solely. See if you can find the next 5 breaths completely present in the moment with all sensation at the tip of the nose. Maybe you're observing that even amount of pressure in the diaphragm and the lungs and the belly, the balance between the pressure outside and inside in harmony. Staying here just a little while longer. Feeling each inhale, each exhale. 30 more seconds. Feel free to stay here as long as you like, or if you're ready to close the practice, slowly allowing your eyes to open, bringing them to a soft cast gaze, taking a moment to adjust to your surroundings. Thank you for sharing your practice. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. From my heart to yours, namaste.